Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Colorado. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 25 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 2.9-liter inline-4 engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, 2.9 LDOHC 4-cylinder SPI, emissions override, federal, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, and the audio system, AM/FM stereo. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.